The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 is back at the Nürburgring, but this time it is bringing reinforcements. Spotted tearing through the corners of the green hell, this latest prototype is fitted with an aggressive Manthey Racing performance kit that clearly means business. Porsche is fine-tuning its naturally aspirated hero, while Manthey dials in aerodynamic and chassis enhancements to make this the ultimate track day machine. Visually, the changes are impossible to ignore. There is a new front bumper design with sharper canards, a larger splitter, and carbon fiber discs covering the rear wheels. Out back, the rear wing has grown significantly, complemented by a deeper diffuser. Every single element looks engineered for maximum downforce and improved stability at high speeds. Beneath the surface, Manthey is expected to bring serious upgrades to the suspension, braking system, and chassis tuning. If the last generation is anything to go by, the new GT3 MR kit could chop several seconds off Nürburgring lap times. For context, the previous 9.9 2.1 Manthey kit slashed over 4 seconds on the Nordschleife. What makes this version even more special is the timing. With emissions regulations tightening and electrification looming, this might be one of the last pure, naturally aspirated GT3 experiences. Porsche and Manthey seem determined to go out on a high note, pushing development to the edge. This is not just a prototype with wild Aero. It is a real-world preview of what might be the ultimate version of the 911 GT3 before hybrids take over. With its loud, raw exhaust note and no-nonsense Aero, this car is not about subtlety, it is about lap times and thrill. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of performance car news like this one.